Good morning, year 7th. Today is Sunday the 26th. This is week 4 now. We're doing lesson 1 of 4. We're now moving on to 3.5 brackets and powers. So please make sure you write the date, the sequence of lesson, and the title, 3.5 brackets and powers. And the learning intention is to expand expressions involving powers. So as we said, we've already done this lesson before, so hopefully this shouldn't be too new. So if you look at the first warm-up question, so it says simplify 3 times y, 8 times 6, p times minus 3, 7 times 2s, and 9z times 5. The first one you just do 3 times y is 3y, 8 times 6 is 6a, p times negative 3 is negative 3. P, 7 times 2s, 14s, and 9z times 5, 45z. Now, in your books, can you now do question 2? So simplify b times b, m times 2m, a times a times a, 3b times 2b, 6n times 3n. So write down your answers. And remember to copy the questions. And then for question 3, work out 3, then in brackets 2 plus 5. And then part 2, got 3 times 2 times 3 plus 3 times 5. Again, you can do what's in the brackets first. So if we do this question here, 3, 2 plus 5. So 2 plus 5 equals 7. Then multiply by 3. Remember, when you see a number outside the brackets, multiplying. So this is multiplication. So 3 times 7 to give you 21. And if you did it the other way around, if you did 3 times 2, which is 6, then with 3 times 5, which is 15, still gives you the same answer. So can you work out B for multiply in brackets 6 minus 1, 4 times 6, plus 4 times negative 1. Now, so moving on to the examples today from our PowerPoint. So just give me 1 second. So as we said before, in algebra, we often need to simplify expressions, and this may involve expanding, removing brackets, as well as factorizing. We'll look at factorizing in the second part of this week. So as we know, expanding means multiply out each term in bracket by the term outside. So if you have here 5 and in brackets 2x plus 3, that means 5 multiplied 2x plus 3. You do the 5 times the 2x, then the 5 times 3. So that would give you 5 times 2x is 10x, 5 times a positive 3, that would give you a positive 15. So if you look at this example here, 3 within brackets x plus 5. So as we know, we'll do 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 5, 15. In example 2, we've got 4 times 3x minus 2, so 4 times 3 is 12x, 4 times negative 2, negative 8. So for today, we're going to call this question 1. Okay, can you copy these questions and write down your answers? Okay, sure you're working. I'm going to pause the video now to give you, well, actually you pause the video now. Once you've done, start play again to check your answers. So just go through the solutions now. So you would have 3x plus 24, 7x plus 14, 10x minus 4, 16x minus 24, 7y plus 7, and 27k minus 72. So mark your work. Let me see how you did. If you have any questions, you can always send me a message on Google Classroom and I'll respond to you with an access code for a Zoom room so I can give you one-to-one support. Okay? If we look at now, we've got to be careful, as we know, when we have a negative. So remember, if you're multiplying two signs which are alike, like means the same, they're positive, and unlike means minus, so plus and minus, or positive, negative. So when with two signs when you're multiplying them, positive times positive is positive, negative times negative is positive. The two signs are like signs, the same. When they're unlike, when not the same, positive times negative, you get a minus, a negative result. So example, if I had negative 2 times x plus 3, that would be negative 2x minus 6. 3 multiplied 3x minus 1, that would give you 9x minus 3. Look at example 5, minus, so this is a negative, remember, negative times a negative, it's going to give you a positive 5x minus 15. And then this example 6, negative 14x minus 21. So this is question 2 now. So again, in your books, can you copy these questions, work them out, write the answers, and then you now pause the video, do exercise 2, question 2, then we'll check through your answers, and then that's the work for today. So you got question 1 and question 2 of A, B, C, D, E, and F. Pausing your video now. Okay, guys, so let's quickly go through these. So first one, you should have got negative or minus 3x minus 24, minus 7x plus 14, minus 10x minus 4, 16x plus 8, minus 7y minus 7, and minus 27k minus 72. Okay, so for today, you just do question 1 and 2 from the PowerPoint, write down the answers, make sure you've checked it. If you have any problems or questions to do with the lesson, please message me and then I'll respond to you with a access code for a Zoom room so I can talk to you, help you, support you in any of these questions that you might need help or support with. Anyway, guys, enjoy the rest of your day and I'll look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow for lesson 2 of 4.